the scores of all the other instructor evaluators in the group. In addition, we show them what the average scores are, and then if they fall inside or outside of that average score, whether they're below or above. And with this information, we take that scores, we take those instructor evaluators, and we turn it over to our observation program, and we put those instructors on an observation list. And with that observation list, we give them some additional observations for more calibration. In addition, we have our managers of delivery counsel and coach those individual IEs whose numbers are inside or outside of the average numbers. And we make sure that they understand the grade scale thoroughly and they can know how to grade the EMVs and the performance. And from there, we give them the opportunity to get additional calibration. The next thing we want to talk about is the video training. What we did when we first started training our IEs for AQP is we developed video of all of our scenario training, and we used that video to show all of the IEs in order to teach them how to use the grade scale, understand the grade scale, and then how to assign grades to those scenarios. And we would do this in the classroom so that to make sure that all of the IEs saw the same information and were able to understand how to grade those events. And as we would do that, we found that this helped us better understand what the instructor evaluators knew with the grade scale because they would see the same thing. And when we do our calibration, we found that we just recently purchased an audio response system, which is similar to what we've been using here in the conference this week. And what's nice about these audio response systems is we are allowed to, or we are able to assign each individual IE to the card. And so when we show the videos in the classroom for calibration, then we can have them log in their responses on how they would grade a particular scenario. We can see the immediate response, and we can discuss that information to make sure that they're all on the same page. And then we can also pull a report of that information so we have an actual report for what each individual IE has graded. And this allows us to help calibrate those individuals who fall outside the norm. This also allows us to check to make sure everybody is grading the same way. That's all I have. And we do calibration twice a year, and we found that we're looking to move that to every quarter. But we've used this audio response system this past year. We just purchased these this year, and it worked really well. And then we'll use them again in September when we recalibrate our instructors. I'm going to turn it over to Jim.